Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations
Sorry. I'm so
with
sorry.
my daughter.
Sherry. Hi.
And today we're going to be showing you Stephanie Stitches box. Okay, here we go. All right, let's take a look at it. What, pray tell, are you doing?
I thought I smelled peppermint or cinnamon for a second there. Oh, I smell that.
Only the nose knows.
No. No, that's not it
That's not
either.
it either?
I don't think so. Maybe just me.
I don't know.
That's for you to read. 'Cause
Oh,
you do
excuse
that.
me. Okay. Welcome to the Christmas edition of the Stephanie Stitches Project. She says, I can't believe how fast the year has flown by and that we're already talking about Christmas. And I totally agree. The year has flown by.
Yes, it has. Next Thursday, it will be December 1st.
I know.
I'm not ready.
So she has provided us with two options to choose from. There's enough fabric to do one or the other. Feel free to use the fabric from your stash to make the second and share a pic with her. It's always neat as a pattern designer to see what people come up with. So the contents, which we'll show you in a minute. This box contains everything you need to complete the top and the binding of your project. And tag her on Facebook or Instagram, which is Stephanie's Stitches, so that she can see your completed projects. She's going to be sewing this on her YouTube channel November 26th. What's today? 26th. So it's she's going to show today. During her normal Saturday with Steph program. Hope you sew along with her.
Today's 27th.
Oh, it was yet. Oh my goodness, I'm a day
late.
I sure am a day late. Okay, so the pattern is Peppermint Pixies, table runner or wall hanging. Isn't that cute? I like
don't
that.
have anything on my
runner
wall
right there.
So that would be good.
That looks nice right there. Okay. And it looks pretty easy. Let's take a look at here. Let's see how easy it is. It looks easy for those that have already been quilting.
There you go. Okay, let's clarify how easy it is.
Which, when you look at the picture,
This is not a
it's
beginner project.
but I'm going to tell you that seeing a picture is worth 1,000 words. If you can see the picture, then you can figure it out. You wouldn't even have to read the directions to know how to make that. I could be wrong.
Okay, can you play
I can play.
a piano without sheet music and play a song?
No,
Because you heard it.
no.
I can. So, I mean, that's easy for me.
All right, so you have a gift. What you
Okay.
do?
No, I wouldn't say it's a gift, but I remember when I was a kid and we went to someone's house and they had a piano and I started playing Joy to the World on it. And the woman said, oh, I didn't know she could play the piano. And you looked at her and said, I didn't either. Okay. And I said, I know the tune, so I started playing the tune on the piano. But again, Joy to the World, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it was only a few keys. It's not hard, but I'm just saying, you can look at a pattern and know how to do it.
Right.
I can hear music without sheet music, and I can play it.
Yeah, well, I can't sing either, and I can't carry a
don't
tune in
forget
a
it.
bucket or anything else. So that's why
Forget that.
I'm not, yeah.
Off key.
I'm going to go ahead and show, here's the thread for the project, and it is 2024. That's the number for the Aurifil. It's actually the number that I use a lot of my projects for. Okay, wait a minute, we're going to do this.
I was just.
I can smell it now that I've opened it.
See, I have a good nose. I just didn't know where it was coming from. And not the nose, but the smell.
Oh, look, a little ornament for the tree.
Aw.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that sweet? Okay, and look, a piece of candy for you and a piece of candy for me.
Guess what it is?
What is it?
Peppermint.
Oh, it smells
And it's
delicious.
the like saltwater taffy, but it might not be saltwater, but it's peppermint.
Some type of taffy.
I told you I smelled peppermint as soon as
Okay.
you opened the bag, or as soon as I unsealed it.
Okay, now fabric.
Okay, this reminds me of. I guess I don't need to. Do I need to open the whole
Let me
thing?
have this
Or
out of the
just-
way. Okay.
This reminds me. I know of
What does it remind you of?
that right there.
Uh-huh.
Now, when I hold it up to the camera, it doesn't. But when I was looking at it, when I first opened it and saw it, it reminded me of a summer shirt that I've seen somewhere. It's a sleeveless shirt that's summer with this
That makes you
similar.
think of the summer?
Yes, I don't know why. Makes me think of like 4th of July and all that.
Okay.
And
Uh-oh.
uh-oh. What's
Something's
that? Uh-oh.
missing or something's tucked amongst something.
Probably. I didn't untuck everything.
Okay.
And then you got, this is white and has little blue specks on it. Specks, I don't want to say, I guess it's dots, but they're so different sizes, big and small.
And this is called Pixie Noel. These fabrics.
This one, oh, I'm
These
sorry. I
fabric
thought you meant
lines.
this color. I was like,
Look at that little thing right there.
there's nothing else in it. What are you expecting?
we're
Pointed and then,
So maybe something still in the bag.
no. Wait, it's right here. I got it.
Oh,
it.
you moved it aside.
Yeah, I
Okay,
moved.
didn't see it.
I didn't want it to fall.
I didn't even see it up there. Okay.
I like this.
Yes, that is cute.
Look at that. If I can unfold it. I can't unfold it. Oh, here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
That is
Let's start
cute.
from the one side.
Oh.
I'm going to stand on my tippy toes so you can see it all, so I can see it all. It's got like little kids on it. That is so cute. I like that.
Pixies.
Yes, look on the back. I don't know if it was on the front. The bunny rabbits, I don't know if you saw those. Those are cute. Little blue trees. That is adorable. Anyway.
Yes, it is. Just set it aside and grab the next one. The next one's just in a different colorway.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It's still pretty.
Yeah, it's still
love
pretty.
it, love it.
Yeah, that's in a blue.
And this is the blue. Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
Pink and blue.
Mm-hmm.
What are those, poinsettias?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, good, because
Poinsettias.
that's what I thought they were. Look at
Yep,
those.
poinsettias.
And it's a green background.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. This one's a
All the
lot,
fabrics are beautiful together. Yeah.
Always.
And there's stripes.
Stripes for Cundicans.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay, and we're going to lay it all out here. Oh, no, we got to have one more thing.
Nope, one more thing. Do you want me to show it or do you want to
Yeah,
show it?
well, I'm
This was the
creative.
almost
Chris.
missing item.
Got
But it wasn't because I was looking at it. It was my fault. It's not missing.
Yeah, she grabbed it and put it aside.
I
didn't see it.
did. I was looking at it.
Creative Kids Seam Guide Ruler. Yep.
And
Okay.
so since I don't know what it's used for because there's no numbers on it, so what is it used for?
That's,
What do you do?
put it,
Show me.
Well, you take your fabric, and if you're going to mark it, you would be marking it like this. You can mark it right down there. It's a 1/4 inch. Do I need to get it? Here, there's another ruler right there.
What? I don't understand.
Well, put this, well, let's do it this way.
My nose is so cold. I'm so sorry.
From the middle to the outer edge. See, the middle is this black line right here.
No. What
Okay,
black line am I looking
see
at?
this
I'm sorry.
Black
I'm in the
line
dark.
right here.
This dotted line on the edge? Yeah.
This one right here. This is
Okay.
a 1/4 inch on the ruler.
Okay.
And if I put it in the middle here and go to the edge, that's a 1/4 inch. So it's a 1/4 inch from the center to there and from here to there. Are you following me so far?
Nope. Not at all. What?
Okay, hold on.
I don't understand. I thought
Okay,
it was like in a
so-
straight line. Now you're telling me from the left to the right. What?
Okay, so this is a break in the ruler.
Gonna be a break in my eye because I can't see. What am I looking at?
You're looking at see this little line right here?
Yes.
So from that center piece, from on this piece right here, from here to there is a 1/4 inch. From
Okay.
here to there is a 1/4 inch.
Okay.
So if you put that down and you wanted to mark your fabric, let's pretend this is your fabric. We're gonna have to show them too. Give me a smaller piece so that we can, because we're gonna hold it up here in a minute to show everybody. Okay, so let's say that I needed to mark it. I would go to the right here on the edge of the fabric, and then I would mark it right here, like that. And then I'm going to sew right down that line, which got me a 1/4 inch from the edge. You understand now?
I got the part where you're marking it and you're sewing on that line, but
Mhm.
show me again where the 1/4, you're going to the edge of the
You're
fabric
going
with
to-
this?
Right, because that's the side of the ruler.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you would mark
from
down,
here. Okay,
from
so if
here.
you wanted over here to have it like wide or whatever,
which is 1/4 inch and a 1/4 inch, which is half
half
inch.
an inch, yes,
Then
I
you
know
mark
math.
it down there. Yeah, that's all. And normally what you do is when you have let's pretend you have a square right here. Let's just fold it up and make it a fat 1/4. Just fold it up. Here's your square. Now, so if you were going to do your half square triangles, do you recall what a half square triangle is? The answer would be no. Say no. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I think
I'm going to show you.
myself
No, you're
right
not.
now.
Here's half.
Okay,
we're gonna
view visual, yes, I get
Okay,
it. Okay,
so-
I got it.
All right, so here's a half square triangle for everybody. Okay, we're just pretending here. Now, if I took this, and we're going to pretend that it's square, you take your ruler and
You mean
put
we're
it.
pretending you have 2 half-inch triangles?
No,
right
we're
now.
pretending we have one square here.
Okay.
One square, and we're going to take it and we're going to mark it. So you'd line this up in the middle of your fabric.
Mhm.
Okay, you're going to take your pencil, you're going to mark on this side, and you're going to mark on that side.
Oh, okay.
Then you're going to go ahead and go like that, and you're going
that's
to
your
sew.
No.
No, yeah, you're going to sew on the right line and the left line.
Yeah.
So then when you got done, you have 2 pieces of thread going down here.
Yes.
Then you put your ruler from the top to the bottom,
That's
and you
your
cut.
So
Then you
I'm
got
right, okay.
there, and then you got 2
2
pieces.
half triangles.
Right. And that's
Okay.
when you put them together, they become your, I'm just giving an example how to use this. Okay? That was it.
Okay. Can I ask a dumb question?
It's not going to be dumb. Go ahead. What's
It
your
is
question?
because it's.
Uh-huh.
So you took your square,
Uh-huh.
you took your ruler,
Mm-hmm.
you've sewn, then
Uh-huh.
you take your rotary cutter or whatever, and then you cut it in half.
Right.
And then you're sewing them back together? Why would you do that? Why
2
are you
different
cutting
colors.
it to sew it back together?
Because you have a color on the right side and a color on the left side. They're 2 different colors.
Oh, okay, because I was thinking, why would you... It makes sense to cut a square in half and then put it back together.
I know.
I'm sorry. That's why I said it's right. Dumb question.
Well, so here you go. Based on the pattern here. Okay, so this would be a half square triangle right here. And then I'm going to outline it in my pencil. Then I'm going to show our YouTubers. Okay.
Oh, okay. Now I see
Okay,
it. Oh,
now she
God.
got it.
Oh.
So see where I drew a square right here so that she could see one side was red and one side was white. Now she understands it. Okay, very good. That's it. So let's lay it out so that everybody can see it. Now that you got your lesson.
I got my sewing lesson for the day.
Okay. We'll be right back. Okay, here it is, all laid out, the fabric and everything. And I appreciate everybody watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and you'll see more of these videos. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to make a comment about something, you can. And hopefully somebody new actually learned something from that teeny weeny little display that I showed about making that half square triangle. Okay, thank you everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.